Hello everyone, this is Ashwini Bhosle, working as an assistant professor at MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Parshi. I'm working in first department for communication skills. Here you can see the video details of week 1 and week 2 with its likes and views and content in brief of both the weeks. You can see here. Video outcomes of those two video are students can interpret causes and effects of CO2 emission. They also can think about remedial measures for prevention. They also can understand global goals for sustainability, and they can understand their duties as forthcoming responsible citizens of this beloved Mother Earth. Here are the standards for ISO or IEC toner ink cartridge, which I am going to discuss in this week 4 video. You can see ISO standards, so 19752 2004. It focuses on the methods for the determination of toner cartridge yield for monochromatic electrophotographic printers and multifunction devices that contain printer components. This ISO IEC 19798 2006. It describes method for the determination of toner cartridge yield for color printers and multifunction devices that contain printer components. And ISO IEC 24711 2006. It describes methods for determination of ink cartridge yield for color inkjet printers and multifunction devices that contain printer components. Here is the carbon emission, which is emitted during the manufacturing or shipping or packaging of toners or cartridges. You can see here 5 columns are given. First column stands for life cycle stage. This is the life cycle stage. Its components, then components packaging, then cartridge packaging, then component shipping from one place to another, then its distribution and energy used for all these things, and how much emission is done, CO2 emission is done during this process is given here in kgs, and this is for new cartridges and this is for refilling. You can see the gap, how much gap is given here. See, to produce new components 2136 kg CO2 is emitted, while to refill the old cartridge only 223 kg CO2 is emitted. This difference is huge and remarkable. So once we examine or think about the gap between these two things, new things and refilling old things, definitely we will choose to go for refilling the cartridge, not to throw and buy new one. So we need to be fair about the earth and think about its goodness of our earth. And then components packaging 286 kg, while refilling takes emits only 65 kg. Cartridge packaging, it emits 980 kg and refilling emits only 380 kg. You can see this huge gap and go for refilling, not for buying. Here percentage difference is also given 90%. See, this is very important to see and think about it, and go for refilling, reusing, recycling and repairing, not to go for buying new one. So this gives us idea what to do with old cartridges, and it gives us idea whether to buy new or not. Let us go to the next slide. Carbon emission and its effect caused by printer industry. See, already we have seen in previous slide how much CO2 is emitted while manufacturing the components of cartridge. The harmful environmental factors of ink cartridge can be felt since they are manufactured. When you produce a new laser cartridge, you consume more than 3 quarts of oil And we know very well mining and getting oil and then filtering, it goes through many processes, and how much energy and other things are used for this and how much CO2 is emitted. So we need to think about this CO2 emission when we buy new cartridge. Old inkjet cartridges, you require about 3 ounces of oil. There are many adverse effects of just throwing away an old ink or toner cartridge, as the violet organic components and heavy metals present will pollute the soil and water when they reach landfills. Unfortunately, more than 375 million empty ink and toner cartridges are thrown out every year. You can see 375 million empty ink and toner cartridges are thrown every year, and ain't most of them end up in the landfills. To get some perspective on that fact, this means that 11 cartridges per second and 1 million cartridges per day are thrown away. For a frame cartridge to fully decompose in a landfill site, it takes 1000 years. So if we calculate 375 million empty ink and toner cartridges thrown out every year, and each cartridge take 1000 years, which give you an extent of how damaging these cartridges can be to the environment. The environmental effect of printer cartridges, we can see it takes 1 gallon of oil to make a new laser cartridge. Nearly 8 cartridges are thrown away per second in United States. This is of United States. How many cartridges are thrown away per second? 8 cartridges per second. You can calculate, then 24 hours and those many seconds and those many cartridges are thrown, and it takes 1000 years to decompose. So we must think about our earth before we throw anything, not only toner but any other thing. So about 70% of used printer cartridges are currently being thrown out. Over 75% of waste is recyclable, but we recycle only 30%. Then what about remaining these? If we are recycling only 30% out of 75, then what about remaining 35% or 45%? A laser cartridge thrown into a landfill can take up to 450 years to decompose. Some components take 1000 years. In 1 year, if the world's discarded cartridges were stacked end to end, they would circle the earth over 3 times. See, so we must think about the toner, whether to throw or go for refilling or repairing and reusing. So here we can see the awareness of people about toner, its uses and what they are doing with it. See, only these many people are aware of sending it back to the vendor, and these many people, they give them to a third party like a cartridge broker or cartridge recycler where they can recycle, and this is very dangerous. These many people, they throw them away, which takes thousands of years to decompose. It means these many people are causing damage to the environment, and these many people, they send them back to waste recycling company, and other people, they are not aware what is done with the toners and where it is thrown, where it is recycled, what is done. But this is very dangerous patch. People simply throw away the toners, and this will be harmful for our environment or Mother Earth. A study by Patron suggests that manufacturing 1 laser cartridge requires a gallon of oil, already we have seen in previous slide, while an inkjet cartridge requires about 2.5 ounces. With over 1.3 billion ink cartridges manufactured each year, this amount is considerable. At the same time, ink and toner cartridges include toxic volatile organic compounds. Cartridges also create a massive carbon footprint. A new monotoner cartridge results in 4.8 kg CO2 production. We can see here, new monotoner cartridge results in 4.8 kg CO2 production. A refilled or remanufactured emits an esteemed 2.4 kg, half of the new one. So we all should think about going for recycling, reusing, repairing, Okay, and refilling. Next is, here you can see the cart image of this one, and greenhouse gases emissions from manufacturing a single monotonal cartridge have been calculated to approximately 4.8 kg CO2 per cartridge, while refilling takes only 2.4 kg. Here is the sustainability of cartridge. Here I have taken HP design for sustainability, where you can see advanced materials innovation to improve environmental and human health impacts. We need to use the material which is eco-friendly for and which is good for human health also. While making or manufacturing new cartridge, we need to think about the materials innovation which should be eco-friendly. Then we have improve energy efficiency to enable a low carbon economy. So next we have deliver positive social impact and drive customer and environmental value with product as a service. Then extend product life through durability and repairability, which is very important. So instead of manufacturing new products, it is better to increase the lifespan of that product so that it can be lasting for more years. So if it lasts for more years, definitely there will be less manufacturing of the cartridge, and we need to think about repairability. So it should be repairable, reusable, recyclable, and all these things. And then we have repair, reuse, and recycle products at end of service. Instead of throwing it away, we need to repair it, reuse it, and recycle it. Then to let me tell you that ink cartridges are manufactured with a 2-year expiry date. Only 2 years expiry date. It can last only 2 years. But when you get close to 2 years, the ink sponge inside the cartridge starts to dry up. So you can still use the cartridge but won't get an optimum result. For example, for toner cartridge, there is no expiry date. Toner may degrade over time and the print results may not be as good as they were. But toner does not expire. Toner never expires. This result will not be satisfactory. The print may come faint, but you can fill this toner and use it, reuse it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.